5 side hustles you can start with $0. Imagine waking up tomorrow, checking your phone, and seeing $1,000 you earned while you were sleeping. Sounds unrealistic, right? But here's the truth. Most people think you need money to make money. That's exactly why they stay broke. Right now, thousands of people are starting side hustles with literally $0, using nothing but their phone, internet, and a little creativity. And the crazy part, some of these side hustles can eventually turn into full-time income streams. So in this video, I'll show you 5 powerful side hustles you can start today with 0 investment. But watch carefully, because side hustle number 4 is something most people completely ignore. Yet it has created millions of online entrepreneurs. Let's start with the first one. Let me ask you something. Can you edit photos, write captions, design simple graphics? If yes, congratulations. You already have a skill someone will pay for. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways to start earning online with 0 money. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow beginners to offer services like thumbnail design, video editing, writing, social media management. And here's the interesting part. Your first client won't care about your degree. They only care about results. Quick reality check. Your first job might pay $10. Not exciting, I know, but that $10 can become $100, then $1,000, all from a skill you already have. But freelancing has one problem. You only get paid when you work, which brings us to the next side hustle, something that can pay you even when you're sleeping. Right now, there are people making money by simply posting videos online. And no, you don't need a fancy camera. Just look at platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Thousands of creators are building faceless channels around topics like motivation, finance, storytelling, gaming. Some never even show their face. Seriously, some channels don't even use their voice. They use stock footage, AI voiceovers, and simple editing. But here's the secret most beginners miss. The goal isn't going viral once, it's consistency. Because one day, one video suddenly explodes. And that one video can bring thousands of subscribers overnight. But content creation takes time. So what if you want something that can start making money much faster? Then the next side hustle might be perfect for you. Imagine recommending a product and getting paid every time someone buys it. That's exactly how affiliate marketing works. Companies give you a special link. When someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. Simple. Popular affiliate platforms include Amazon Affiliate Program, ClickBank, Digistore24. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You don't need a website. You can promote products through YouTube videos, Instagram pages, Pinterest pins, even WhatsApp groups. But be careful. If you promote random products just for money, people will stop trusting you. And in the long run, trust is your biggest asset online. But the next side hustle, this one has created entire online businesses from scratch. And surprisingly, most people still ignore it. Think about this. You create something once and sell it unlimited times. That's the magic of digital products. Examples include Notion templates, ebooks, budgeting planners, Instagram presets. Let's say you create a simple budgeting template. You sell it for $5. Now imagine 1,000 people buying it. That's $5,000 from one digital file. Crazy, right? And the best part, you can sell these on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. No inventory, no shipping, no warehouse, just pure digital leverage. But what if you don't want to create products? Well, the next side hustle might be the easiest of them all. Here's a funny truth. Businesses know they need social media, but most of them hate managing it. They don't want to reply to comments, post daily content, design graphics. And that's where you come in. You can offer services like posting content, writing captions, scheduling posts. Tools like Canva and CapCut make this incredibly easy, and beginners are charging anywhere from $100 to $400 per month per client. Just imagine managing 3 clients. That's already a solid monthly income. But before you start celebrating, there's one critical mindset shift you must understand. And if you miss it, none of these side hustles will work. Here's the truth nobody talks about. Most people don't fail because side hustles don't work. They fail because they quit too early. They try something for 2 weeks, then say, online money doesn't work. Meanwhile, someone else stays consistent for 6 months, and suddenly their income explodes. Side hustles reward patience, consistency, and smart learning. So start small. Pick one idea from this video and commit to it for 90 days, because the opportunity right now has never been bigger.